Look at that sight. Oh, super. But now, aren't you? Ooh. You did it. Today we have come to the Tongariro National Park just out of Ohakune to ride a new track called Te Ara Mangawhero. The track isn't completed yet, but phase 1 of the track is open, with phase 2 being completed next year in 2026. The track opened last year on the 1st of November in 2024, and we rode the track 12 days later on the 12th of November. The first time, that is. But because I'm still getting to grips with my new phone, I mucked up while trying to adjust the line of sight, so we've come back again 2 months later, in January of 2025, to capture the footage I lost. So come along and enjoy the ride with us. It's cold. I have to put my things on. Oh. I think I will put everything on. It's too cold. It's cold. It's like we're up the mountain. And it's January. Okay, thank you. Ooh, it's cold. Put my head on.
Here you go. One more coming along.
Okay, Mark. Oh, step back, Bobby. Do we have to pass? Do we have to? Thank you. So what's our plan? You didn't turn. Now, last year we turned here where the man was waiting for his partner to catch up. So we shall resume the original footage now. Thank you. Oh, where are we? Oh, that road. Oh no, it keeps going. Oh, exciting. It looked complete to me. And it said it's not complete. Got us there. Here we go. Te Ara Mangawhero Great Ride. To the right. Ooh, oh, I say, there's the mountain. Phase 2 under construction. The track ends. Ah, it does too. Okay. Well, that's going to be nice. There we are then. It's going to be lovely, isn't it? When it finishes. How's that? So this year when we came back, we were curious to know how much progress, if any, had been made along here to the track ends sign, and we were thrilled when we were told that we could continue another 1.5 kilometres along the new track. Isn't this shut? The gate's open. Oh, what's happening? Oh, you can't go to the end? They've opened it. They're working on it, are they? What does it mean? How far can we go? You going to keep going? You are? Why aren't you going then? Oh, I can see the orange shirts up here, Bobby. It's us. Oh, super. Oh. Picked a lovely day today, and it was closed last time down by the bridge over there, so he says we can go another 1.5 km up here, so we shall. Where's the other one? Just that one? Oh no, you Gilbert. Ah, you dingbat. Yeah. Get that. Oh, I can hear the other one coming now, Robert. I'll let you go. Yeah. I just had things fall out of my basket is all, buddy. But I'm all good. I'll follow you. Sneeze. Bless you, buddy. I don't want your sneeze though. Oh, he's sneezing again. Go away. In the fresh air, but still. It's hard for you. Get down, aren't you? Ooh. You did it. Way to go, buddy. Little bug. Oh. Are your gears beautiful like mine? There's Robert's waiting for me. We stick together, we do. Did he drive past that tractor? He's not even there. Oh, there he is on the side. My apologies, Bobby. Good man. I can see you. No, it's not you, Robert. It's a stranger. Oh no, where's Robert? This is a slow trip. That looks like fresh dirt. Put that down, haven't I? It's soft. Coming to the end, are we? There you are, finally, Big G. Hello! Finally! Caught up with you. What's the plan? Once I've dumped their stuff, so how far does it go? Don't you want to see? Why ever not? Have we been a K and a half? One doesn't know. Their end spot. Is this it here? No, they're still going, are they? Let's see where they end up, eh? Track ends. Oh. Phase 2 under construction. So it was here, hey? There we go. At least we know. Open but not complete. Another one. Oh, I can't fit through. Lighter. Now where are we? Oh, which way do we go? That arrow's saying that way. Mountains to see. Okay. Oh, what? Really? And we're looking at this way. Jolly road, man. I prefer tracks. What? Another can. Really? That's going up the mountain, well, down the mountain, and that goes up the mountain. Turn it off, we're back on the same track, aren't we? If it is just walking, we'll just come back. We have now veered off the main biking track to follow a walking track. We don't know if there'll be steps or anything just for walkers, so we're prepared to return to the bike track if we strike any such obstacle. Bumpy. That's what is only walking. Too many roots. So we didn't strike any obstacles, even humans fortunately, and apart from it being a little bumpy from tree roots, it was another pleasant and scenic bushwalk, had we actually walked it. Here we are. Where are we? Oh, we're at our car, man. We're here. Where are you heading? Now, when we did the Old Coach Road a while back, our shuttle bus driver told us of this river ride that is a must to do while in Ohakune, so of course we had to see it for ourselves. And the track runs alongside the Mangawhero River, which starts from the slopes of Mount Ruapehu and ends up discharging into the Whanganui River.